This is Neil Stromer recording my 2007 Mini Cooper S on February 2nd, 2014, Sunday at 11:30 a.m. Car's been sitting for about 48 hours, 17 degrees in my garage right now, it's a little cool outside. I'm going to see what happens when I start it. And it died. See, the engine light just came on. Let's try that again. I'm going to give it a half throttle of gas. Engine light's still on. Okay, engine light just went out. Let's see what happens as it idles down. Let's turn the lights on there. Try to create a shadow there. It's idling down. Okay, I'm going to flip it into reverse and try to back it out of the garage, see what happens. Now we're in reverse. Oh. They're dying on me. Oh. It's dying. Nope, it didn't die. Almost. I'm going to put it in reverse for our park again. Okay, let's try that again. Back in reverse.